Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting feature highlight video of Satori 2.0. In Satori 2.0, there is now the opportunity to view multiple time series data on the same plot. With this new data plotter feature, there are many options that can be super helpful in evaluating data quality and data processing steps. There's also additional information provided in the log. Let's open the log view by clicking the red flashing log icon here. There is so much information contained here we can't cover it all in this video, but keep an eye on this as you go through your analysis work, as it may answer some questions. Now for the data plotter. Let's first open a dataset. Viewing multiple channels is already possible in the Selected Channels view by holding Control and selecting multiple channels. However, you cannot see channels from different datasets here or include and exclude certain pre-processing steps. To see this new independent data plot window, we click on Tools and Data Plotter. The data plotter is a separate window for looking at any version of our time series NIRx data. Now, we'll right-click on a channel and select Add to Data Plotter. You'll now see this channel time series plotted in the window of the data plotter. Now we can look at the changes to data after pre-processing. To do this, let's click on Analysis and then NIRx Data Pre-Processing. We'll just use the default settings for now. By left-clicking and dragging the plot, we can zoom in on the two time series and check out the differences. We can also turn off the view of any channel by name in the legend. And a double right-click will reset the zoom to the standard setting. So now let's compare pre-processing steps. We'll load this same dataset again and do a different pre-processing routine to it. Here we will only include short channel regression and normalization transforms to the data. So we can compare these two pre-processing steps now. If we zoom in on the middle of the data, we can really highlight the differences that can be seen here. You can see that although the cardiac signal is still present in the short distance regressed data, it does follow the same trend as the set with more pre-processing steps applied, and both are significantly different from the raw data. As well as this, we can also add peripheral physiology to the data plotter. Click on Show SNRF, and then we'll select AUX11 or our ECG measure. We'll click on the Data Time Series line and then Plot Data button in the bottom right-hand corner. This will plot the ECG and it will also add the trace to the data plotter window. Let's check it out. You can see how the cardiac signal in the data also aligns with the ECG data. Bear in mind that when you close the data plotter, the existing plot will not be cleared. Thus, when you add any new time series, they will actually be plotted on top of the previously added signals. So to clear the plot, you'll need to click on File and then Clear Plot. The data plotter also has the option to ensure that multiple time courses are plotted using the same scale. This makes it much easier to visualize signals with different amplitudes on the same plot. For example, oxy and deoxyhemoglobin signals or short and long channels. So we can take a look at this together. To enable it, you click on Options and then check the Use Same Scaling tab. Now let's add any two time series like we did previously by right-clicking on the channel and Add to Data Plotter. And as you can see, the time series are now scaled in the same way, making it easier for visualization. So this is just a little example of the vast utility of the data plotter. Enjoy your data crunching, and we'll see you in the next video.